Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Jordan 1 Retro Gym Red Black Bred Toe. This is the box. They are releasing February 24th at all Foot Lockers and foot sites. This is my pair, size 10, Gym Red colorway. US dollars 160, but I'm Canadian, so it's $2.15. And let's look at the shoe. I love the gas smell that it comes with every Jordan 1s, and the box itself is so basic. Now let's look at the shoe more closer. Focus. When I saw the picture of the guy receiving it early, it made me want to get this shoe even more, because this looks just like a shattered backboard. But I'm not exactly sure if it's the same quality, because I never had shattered backboards on hand. Let's look at both shoes right now. Now this is the side of the Jordan 1s. It comes with the laces, red laces, and just like every other Jordan release, it comes laced, unlaced. I wouldn't know exactly if it's shattered backboard material, but I feel like it is, because like what people say butter, I'm feeling the butter right now right here. You dig? And on the toe box. The toe box is nice, buttery. I feel like the shoe is gonna be way better if it's all creased up. It's gonna look way better. Here's some focus pictures from all angles. The shoe is releasing February 24th. Here's the soles, and here's clips of on-foot video on jeans and sweatpants.
Gave me some time to think about it, should I take it or not? 300 grand ain't enough, I need a mill off the top. I got some niggas that I need to get the fuck off the block. I'm in the trenches, jumping fences, instead of ducking the cops. That nigga talking down on me, must be smoking on rocks. How the fuck you on my head, I'm still floating in the drop. When it's a drought, I got that work, on that loud and smoking perk. You get off, I'm shooting first, go across and bite the dirt. I let you niggas get your shine on, and now that shit over. 100 rounds off the Draco, I can't stop till it's over. That little bitch was talking shit, so she made me pull over. Kicked her out and made her walk and told that bitch that it's over. You ain't no soldier, you pussy, I come lay in your bush. Ain't no way you could take me, I play for keeps shooting real. No offense to these rappers, but ain't none of them real. You wasn't doing what I was doing until you got to a deal. Boy, I'm still in the street, we in the back with them sticks. I was chillin', they got comfortable, I'm back with the shit. Hoes love me for real, I be thuggin' for real. Niggas out here tryna kill me, got me clutching my steel. Loaded full of them pills, pop a perk and go crazy. Kick my ex-bitch to the curb for playing me like I'm basic. Think it's about time I spin the bag and go and take a vacation. Shout out to my CEO, he just got off probation. And laying low as you better stop playing with a nigga. Make me flash out and drop them bands on a nigga. Pull up the middles, hopping out the van with a nigga. Before I go to sleep at night, I'm praying with my pills. All I know is you better stop playing with a nigga. Make me flash out and drop them bands on a nigga. Pull up the middles, hopping out the van with a nigga. Before I go to sleep at night, I'm praying with my pills. Forgive me, I've been flashing up.